Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Please subscribe my channel, my class, my search engine optimization total guideline, step by step my videos. I am the lecture and short videos my class, and next videos and practical class on YouTube channel. Friends, how to mobile SEO and mobile search engine optimization guideline 9 or to search engine optimization for mobile friendly SEO search engine optimization. Do you know over 40% the transcription happiness on mobile? If you want a mobile user engage with your website, and because lately the customer you must be increase the mobile search engine optimization and search engine optimization mobile search engine optimization and mobile SEO is the perfect and optimization your site rank better in search result and keep mobile leads on your page. One this page the while the taken about the mobile search engine optimization, why is the curriculum and near way to help in optimization mobile friendly search engine optimization. If you want to learn more the mobile search engine optimization and mobile search engine optimization strategy. The 9 best perfect for creating an effective mobile search engine as search engine optimization, that means SEO strategy. The number of 9 best or the mobile SEO strategy. Now that where your mobile search engine optimization improve and your strategy add of your plan for your mobile user look nice best practice and important your mobile strategy. Mobile search engine strategy number 1, improve your site and load time. Your site and load time, the internet part of mobile exchange. When you users search for information on to go they are and access and quick your website those load first thought your audience there at the bill and because your page. To take lead on your mobile site, you must be improved site and load and Google page spread inside will provide you with the information on your site load time. Throughout the tools you can see where the site performance and will needed the important Google will provide your way to improve site and load time the mobile user. If you don't have experience with the coding, don't this the effort and site make then can best praise this service. And for digital marketing the page service enable to scan your improvement pages. If you give the freedom to focus the running your business. Number 2, integrate responsible design. Responsible design you create comment and creating mobile friendly website and or page when you insist that the website allows any device you're writing the stamp table and your audience great your mobile experience and device. Integrate response your audience below the site, you can easily sort in page your site content. The image and access desktop to on your site mobile device art is old. The understand and crossing your audience to currently zoom in the auto range in information to your website. Without response design the all drive more lead or to from your business. The easily and read and your information kindly to your site. Focus on the using experience. Number 3, the next and hide in the responsibility design with the successful and mobile friendly search engine optimization. You must be focused and use the responsibility and design and website and responsibility. The thumbnail friendly design, easy to correct and CTA. And the number 4, be careful and open pop-up user. Pop-up user effective way to draw an audience attention. The create action when is the sign up email round and contain, and you make an person attention and this action. Number 5, optimize for your local. And ensure the part of mobile search engine optimization in the local search engine optimization mobile search using the phrase and occasion here this tool and part of PU meaning in the more and more user search engine local business the popular obtains search engine like and the high and local business near the who embrace you must be adopt and these are people. Why can your local the search engine audience and the people shop and PA? The number 6, important client and easy to use the navigators the base. The your navigators explain the vital use and assess the navigator cards and these the create and mobile friendly navigator using the hub means. Keep your site clean, say easy to audience and information. The number 7, optimize title, tag, and meta description. The ensure part of the mobile search engine optimization and mobile SEO. Your title, tag, meta description. There as the to enable this when you some click on your right and search result. Since the mobile look the information their option use title tag and add up description if you the seek and the using the title is a very intent audience and search engine and covers search engine and the meta description you meta description short by audience and season after go your audience in the additional information but what is meta description. Why you meta description provide the audience with is the provide your phrase you help determine of your phrase relevant to this and such query will great mobile search engine optimization you have short and describe the meta description. Number 8, create an spectre mobile URL when the campaign optimization for mobile maybe or create and defense mobile URL when to skip mobile URL you create and personal site and mobile user and always to create the custom experience for the people who visit and visitor this in the drives. Mobile URL the traffically reference and mobile website.com mobile website.com/mobile when user create inside the another mobile URLs. Number 9, create mobile content. The very important and very excellent and very guidelines helpful. The last number of last serial or the 9, create mobile content. As in the mobile search engine optimization tips to create mobile content. When you create mobile content, if you format it to provide possible the experience on the mobile device. If you want to create mobile friendly creator will is make too easy to social throws. If you the explains keeping the prices 2 and 3 cent will make it easy to your audience and recon skim and throws your articles. You will own to the add photos and videos and content tools. It will keep your content instant and the option the engagement and point of your audience. You will want to integrate events the like and button make easy to the button of your mobile site. The start optimization for mobile search engine optimization this using your website and web page mobile search engine optimization is the integral part of grow your business online. If you want to help your business grow through the search engine optimization, you must be for users that search your business through your mobile device and routes and mobile search engine optimization plan we help your rich lead integration in your business. If you want to show great stat which is mobile search engine optimization, in our two over the 500 expert can help hint or over discuss the experience you can the help device and mobile search engine optimization strategy that drives more events that your business. You want to how to option the mobile search engine optimization. uh, Friends, very interesting and very nicely presentation, and the 8 9 OS the mobile search engine optimization, your mobile search engine optimization SEO guides for 9 OS to optimize your mobile friendly SEO. Just I can present the one. Number one, improve your site and load time. Number two, integration, response and design. Number three, focus and user experience. Number four, before crave for a pop-up as. Number five, optimize for the local. Number six, optimize for local. Number five. Number six, important client, easy to use the navigator server. Number seven, optimize title tag and the meta description. Number eight, create a sponsor mobile URL. Number nine, create a mobile content. Thank you, best of luck. The 9 OS mobile search engine, that is my presentation. By next class the practical and this mobile search engine optimization. Best of luck. Please subscribe, comment, your available share.